Hello students, welcome in my class Sri Guru Gyan coaching classes. Today I explain you chapter 2 linear equations in one variable. Yes students, linear equation in one variable. One variable means only one variable utilized in that types of equation in these chapters. So let them first I explain you what is the equation of linear in the one variable. For examples, I just taking 2x plus 5 is equal to 10. Students, this indicate only here one powerity. Look at that, x raised to 1. This part is called your variable. Yes students, here only one variable utilized. That's why this equation is called one of the linear equations. And these two, that 5 and this 10, all are the constant numbers. Yes students, it is x is a variable. And here these values is called equality. It is called equal. Yes. And I further calculate and then obtain the value of x. That is the solution of these one types of linear equations in the one variables. So just I explain the further what is the value of possible value of x. So first of all students, you just remove this plus 5. So taking both sides, subtraction 5. Both the sides, and here side by side mention we subtract 5 on both sides. Most probable students utilize first of all plus values converting in the minus forms, so they getting here 2x, that 5 that 5 gone, and 10 minus 5 is equal to, you know just students, 2x is equal to 5. Now I calculate value of x. This x is called variable, students, and that variable I just define, utilize these two, dividing on both sides. So we divide 2 on both sides. That means here 2 into x by 2, and that side 5 divided by 2. Yes students, this 2 and this 2 easily gone. Only and only you getting x is equal to 5 by 2. This 5 by 2 is your solution for this one of the little example. 2x plus 5 is equal to 10 is equal to 5. Now students, I verify this answer true or not. So very easy. In the verification you write down your LHS. What is your LHS? 2x plus 5. I just check them, putting value x 5 by 2, and I just checking it get it 10 or not. So definitely here 2, x is 5 by 2 plus 5, and this cancel. My answer 5 plus 5 10. Yes, that's my answer. RHS is valid. It means students, this answer for x is equal to 2 is one of the variable for this equation is true. 2x plus 5 is equal to 10. Yes students, now I start example number 1. See, example 1 is also same pattern and very easy for in your textbook given. So students, I go to example 1. Linear equation solution in the one variables. Yes, example 1 is a solve the equations 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. Yes students, first utilize this minus 3. I changing left to right side. It means we adding 3 on both sides. Yes, necessary write down these steps. So you getting just here 3 added, right side and left side. Now students, check them. This and that value is a cancel. So you have to only 2x is equal to 7 plus 3, definitely 10. Now what to do for only obtaining x? Yes, dividing by 2. So mention here we divide 2 on both sides. Always students, if you subtraction given, then you added both sides. If you addition given, then you write subtraction. Similarly, if you multiply given, then you write down dividing. And if you division given, then you show the multiplying. check this 2 and 2 cancel, and here 2 5s are cancelled. It means I get it here x is equal to 5, and that's answer. I just verify here. Students, verification necessary in exam also. In the verification, you just show out your LHS value. Our LHS is a 2x minus 3. In this x form, students, I just put it x is equal to 5. Check them. This 5 I just apply here in place of x. And further calculate and check out your answer is definitely 3. Yes, 5 2s are 10 minus 3 is equal to 7, and that's my RHS. It means my solution x is equal to how many? 5 is true. Yes students, here your final answer is done. Now students, I go to question number 2, example 2. Our question is a 2y plus 9 is equal to 4. Yes students, here y is your variable. See students, any variable given in exam x, y, z, a, b, c, d. So first I am checking for the plus 9. Both sides subtracted 9 one by one. So here we subtract 9 on both the side. Then easily you remove this plus 9. So 2y plus 9 minus 9. This side 4 minus 9. Are you clear students why I am taking first 9 subtraction, not dividing 2? Always utilize first of all plus value, converting in minus, either minus value in converting plus. So this 9 and 9 cancel. We have 2 only is equal to minus 5. Now students, what to do? For coming value here y only, we divide 2 on both sides. Students, why divided by 2? Because here 2 already given in the multiples of y. That's why I just write down dividing by 2 on both the side in this way. Now this 2 and this 2 cancel. My answer only y is equal to minus 5 by 2. Look at that students. Here it is a one variable, and this one variable always lies on the number line. You know that number line students? Minus 5 by 2 is just like here 0, this minus 1, this minus 2. It is minus 2 and 2.5. It means this way your answer is minus 5 by 2. Lies on the number line. And always number line related, your chapter is a linear equation is called and one variable is only here one variable y, either x, either z, any. Now I go to verification. Students, necessary you show verification in exam also. This your LHS. In your LHS, 2y plus 9, just I submit value of y. What is y value? Minus 5 by 2. And this 2 and this 2, just you easily cancel that. Only I have minus 5 plus 9. And check them. This answer is RHS coming. Yes, this is your RHS. So my answer is true. So mention here, it is RHS. It means correct solution. X is equal to what you get? Yes, sorry, my mistake, not is x. It is your y is equal to minus 5 by 2. And here happily one numerical students easily done. Now students, after that example 2, I going to example number 3. See the question first. X upon 3 plus 5 upon 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. Yes students, whenever you fraction form given, then you first taking LCM for this regarding given 3, 2, 2. Yes, I hope you understand what is the LCM. Yes, LCM of 3, 2 and 2 is 6. Yes students, mostly you taking the LCM first. Now this LCM 6 multiplying to each term whenever you fractions given question, then so we multiply 6 on both sides. It's very easy and simple process. So here 6 multiply to first one, 6 multiply to second one, and 6 multiply to last one. Here x by 3 same, and here 5 by 2 same. You know students, why I multiply the related to LCMs? Yes, this equation are easily converting into simplest form, and this simplest form is, look at that, 3 2s are cancelled, 2 into x, it get 2x, here 2 3s are cancelled, 3 5 15, and here same as 2 3s are cancelled, so 3 3s are 9. Now look at that, this question I converted into according to example 1 and example 2 related. So first of all I remove this 15, so we write down, we subtract 15 on both sides. So easily you getting here 2x plus 15 minus 15, and here also minus 15, that I getting totally minus 15 both sides, and these 15 and that 15 cancel. So I only and only getting 2x is equal to how much? 9 and 15. How many students? Yes, 15 and 9, total 24. Correct? Now, what to do for removing these two? Yes, removing these two, dividing 2. So we divide 2 on both sides. It's easy and simple way running. That means here 2x divided by 2, and here minus 24 by 2. Look at that, our numerical is done. Students, this cancel 2 2, lightly cutting you, and here 2 12s are cancelled. So x is equal to minus 12. That's my literal answer. Now I go to verifications. Students, must be verified in your LHS form. So what is your LHS? My LHS is x by 3 plus 5 by 2. It's very easy process. Apply the x, already you done, minus 12. So minus 12 by 3 plus 5 by 2. Now students, this cancel, 3 4s are. You only and only getting minus 4 plus 5 by 2. Now students, I taking the LCM. You know what is the LCM of 1 and 2? Yes, it is 2. So I just forward 2 multiplied and 2 divided, because I taking LCM 2. Now check out, these values are totally 2 LCM. So minus 8 plus 5 by 2. And then you know what is minus 8 plus 5? Yes, it is minus 3. So that's answer is minus 3 by 2. That's my RHS. It means, students, this answer is true. So last write down, therefore solution x is equal to minus 12 is your final answer. Correct? X equal to minus 12. So students, it's very simple process. Whenever you given fractions form, then you take LCM, and always taking to all fractions form converting into LCM form. Okay, done. Now students, I go to example number 4. Your question is 15 by 4 minus 7x is equal to 9. Students, this sum is also same by the fractions wise. You just consider here, upon fraction value, if you not given, then you write down it is 1. Now check, what is the LCM of 4, 1 and 1? Yes, it is 4, 1 and 1. LCM is 4. So we multiply LCM of 4, 1 and 1 is 4 on both sides. Students, you taking the LCM and multiplying 4 on the both sides. So you taking here 4 multiply, same here 4 and same here 4. So this 15 by 4 same as students. Here 7x same as students, and here 9 also same as. Upon value if you given, then you write down. Either only write down 1. Now look at that students. These are cancellations. This 4 and that 4 gone. Other upon 1 and upon 1 is as it is. So finally we did here 15 as it is. 7 4s are 28x and 9 4s are 36. Now look at that students. First I remove this plus 15 values. So we subtract on both sides 15. The further step is we subtract 15 on both sides. It means Here 15 just subtracted you. Other same as. Similarly, here also 15 subtracted on both sides. Now this 15 and 15 students easily gone. And how much? Students, how much? 36 minus 15? Yes, you calculate side by side. 36 minus 15. So 6 minus 5 it is 1. And here 3 minus 1 it is 2. It means 21. Now what to do for removing the 28? Yes, we divide 28 on both sides. So students, you just getting divided by 28 here this side, left hand side, and same as here also divided by 28. Now this much cancel. So only minus x. Students, this also you know. 7 3s are and 7 4s are. As you like, any one you minimum factor students here derive. So 7 7 gone. Minus take upper sides. So minus 3 by 4 is my little answer, and that's my solutions. Clear? Now I go to verifications. Students, verification necessary you show here. In the verification, what's my LHS? Yes, my LHS is a 15 by 4 minus 7x, and I answer carry forward 9. Then this answer is true. So I just put it students in 1 by 1 equation. What is the x value? Yes, minus 3 by 4. So finally you done 15 by 4 plus 21 by 4. Students, this minus and this minus both have to multiply. So 21 plus 15, how much? 21 plus 15, yes, it is 36. So 36 by 4, 4 9s are, that's my RHS. It means students, this answer x minus 3 by 4 for this linear equation is true. Therefore required solution x is equal to minus 3 by 4 is done. Here you stop, and easily this 2 marks getting for example number 4. Yes students, now I go to exercise continue questions. First one 2.1. Here I going to x minus 2 is equal to 7. Yes students, first of all I remove this 2. It is a given minus 2, so I adding both side to x minus 2 same. Students, here you add 2 both the sides, and here show up we adding 2 on both sides. Simple, this 2 and this 2 cancel. You getting x is equal to 9. And students, this numerical is easily done. Now I go to verification. It means checking. Verify, you check LHS. What's your LHS? X minus 2. X put it, and easily 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. That's my RHS. It means correct solution students. Yes, correct solution x is equal to 9. Here done. Same I go to question number 2 here students. Now what is the question 2? Our question 2 is y plus 3 is equal to 10. Yes, this numerical is also students very easy. Y plus 3 equal to 10. First I remove this plus 3. So what you take in? Yes, both side subtracted 3 on values. So y plus 3 minus 3, 10 minus 3. And here side by side we subtract 3 on both sides. That ways we going now. So finally students, this and that cancel. Y is equal to 10 minus 3, which is 7. Numerical done. But I go to verification. Students, verify necessary. Y plus 3, it's my LHS. So in the LHS students, you just put it y value 7 plus 3, it is 10. Check out, your RHS is done here. Yes, RHS equal to 10 already given in question. Therefore, my answer y equal to 7 is correct. So solution x is equal to, sorry, not x, by mistake, y is equal to 7 is my correct answer. Now students, slowly I going question number 3. What is your question 3? 6 is equal to z plus 2. Yes students, 6 is equal to z plus 2. So you two values subtract on both sides. Then easily you separate one variable here z. Students, it is a variable z. So we subtracted both sides too, as well as two previous sums. And mention here we subtract 2 on both the sides. It's very easy and students simple process. So here how many 6 minus 2? It is 4. And this 2 and this 2 gone, only you getting z. So rearrange, z is equal to 4 is my answer. Now I go to verification. Students, verification necessary you do in exam also. What is your LHS? LHS not I taking here. Here I taking RHS students. Z plus 2. Yes, Z apply. Only 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Yes, that's my LHS. Already done. So correct solution. Students, solutions Z is equal to 4. You are happily done. And that's my easily answer. Now I go to question number 4. Yes students, fourth question is also same as I move ahead. 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. Yes students, this question are given in the fractions form. I told again, whenever you fractions form given, then you take the LCM. But now, what is your LCM? 7, 1 and 7? Yes, LCM is 7. So, we multiply LCM of 7, 1 and 7 is 7 on both sides. Necessary students, you multiply both sides. So, here 7 done for first case, 7 done for second case, and same as 7 multiplied to third case. So, here 3 by 7, here x by 1, and here last 17 by 7. So, finally students, this cancel. Look at that, 7 and 7. Here also gone, 7 and 7. Only and only you have to 3. 7 into x, 7x, and 17 same. Look at that. That's our simple, easy linear equation. Now students, what to do? I remove first this 3 and after that further calculation. So, how can this 3 remove? Yes, subtract 3 on the both side, and you write down we subtract 3 on both side. Easily, look at that. This 3 and this 3 you cancel out. Only and only you have to 7x is equal to how many? 17 minus 3? Yes, it is 14. Now students, wait here. And what to do for next one? I want only value of x. So dividing 7 on both sides. So 7x by 7. Here 14 by 7. And here declare we divide 7 on both sides. It means happily your target is done here. This 7 and 7 moving, and that 7 2s are gone. So only you have to x is equal to 2. Yes students, this only x equal to 2. Now I go to verifications. Students, verification is necessary to every sums for that linear equations. In exam you must be verify that terms. So I go to verification for that one. Our LHS is a 3 by 7 plus x by 1. Nothing do. I only put at x is equal to 2 in your that LHS term. So 3 by 7 plus, what is your x value students? Yes, it is 2 by 1. Now, what is the LCM? Yes students, LCM here 7 and 1, it getting total 7. That's why here I extra 7 multiply upper and lower sides. So if this LCM and that LCM are converting same. So 3 by 7 plus 14 by 7. Very easy. Take out both 7 and 7 LCM same. So 3 plus 14. It getting how much? Yes, it is 17 by 7. That's my RHS done here. It means my numerical finished here. Students, this numerical for 2 marks. So final write down, or final after that, our solution. What is your solution? This solution is true, students. Yes, x is equal to 2 is your final answer for that example number 4. Yes, this numerical, students, IMP for exam. Mostly in exam, question asking related to fractions level. So you must be taking fractions level. First of all, our LCM multiplication, and after that further calculations, and till last up to our verifications. Now continue, students, our exercise 2.1, question number 5. Question is a 6x is equal to 12. It's very easy, students. How can I remove this 6 value? Yes, it is dividing 6 on both sides. Then you easily getting value of x. So here 6x divided by 6, and here also divided by 6, and side by side mention we divide 6 on both sides. It's very easy and simple process. This 6 and 6 gone, and here 6 2s are gone. Yes, easily gone. Now I go to verify. What is your verifications? LHS 6x, putting the value, this x value already you getting here, x 6 into 2, it is 12. It is RHS. So your final solution x equal to 2 is true here. So last write down required solution. Yes, students, required solution. How much? X is equal to 2, and that's my little answer. Now properly write down you. I go to question number 6 now. 6 is a t upon 5 is equal to 10. This numerical is also, students, very easy and simple sum. Here taking 1. Fraction form given. Then I again repeat, students, whenever you fractions, you just multiply the LCMs. What is the LCM here? 5. That's why we multiply 5 on both sides. It's simple and easy. I multiplying 5. So here 5 into, and here also 5 into. Finally, t by 5 same, and here 10 by 1 same. Now look at it, students. This 5 and this 5 is cancelled. So you only have t is equal to 5 into 10, that is 50, and 50 is my answer. Yes, now I go to verification. Students, verification necessary you do. What is your verification in LHS? Yes, t by 5. T putting, you getting only 10, and check out. That's your RHS. Yes, this RHS 10 is equal to, you already check here, and it is true. So students, finally I write down required solution means value of x, sorry, not x, my mistakes, value of t is equal to how many? It is the 50, and here your question number 6 and here's question number 5 is both like sums here completed, students. Now continue, students. Question number 7. 2x by 3 is equal to 18. But now 18 divided by, you just write down 1, because I am taking here fractions and this also fractions value. Now check, students, what is your LCM? 3 and 1? Yes, it is 3. So I here just showing we multiplying 3 on both the sides. Students, always you taking LCM wise. Now this multiplying 3, just here apply 2x by 3 and that much also. Finally this 3 and this 3 done, and here 3 into 18. Yes, so 2x, how much? 18 3s are? Yes, it is 54. Now what to do for obtaining x value? Yes, we have to here 2 multiplying into x. So I just dividing to left hand side and dividing to right hand side. Then easily you getting x. So here write down we divide 2 on both sides. Necessary you write down this statement, students. So 2x by 2 is equal to 54 by 2. It means this 2 and this 2 cancel. And here 2 into 54, yes, it is 27. That your answer here, x is equal to 27. Now I go to verifications. Students, again repeat IU, verifications compulsory show in exam. Your verification LHS part. What is LHS? 2x by 3. And putting this x value, already you known, it is how much? 27. So 2 by 3 into 27. So this cancel. 3 into 9 za. So 2 into 9, finally you getting 18, and that's my RHS. Check. Your RHS is definitely 18. Yes. So our required solution. What is the required solution for? X is equal to 27. That much is my last and final answer. Similarly, explaining 8th one. See the question. 1.6 is equal to y upon 1.5. Students, this question for IMP, yeah? Because the fractions level and point level numerical is a IMP numerical. Now, students, see, I just check out 1.6 means 16 by 10. Here also 15 by 10. I just show out. Means finally you getting 16 by 10. This 10 is going to upper side. It means 10 into y by 15. Yes. Now students, how many LCM for 10 and 15? Students, you know 10 and 15 LCM? Yes. We taking LCM of 10 and 15 is how much? 10 and 15 LCM? Either you 150 taking, either next of the 30. Both of the correct. So here 30 multiplied to first case 16 by 10, and next also 30 multiplied 10 into y by 15. Now easily and happily you are done, students. Here 0 0 cancel. You getting only 3 into 16. Here also 15 2s are 30. So 2 into 10 into y means how much y? 3 into 16 divided by 2 into 10. Now simplify the further. This cancels. Students, this 10 and 2 I divided here for the LCM wise. Now 2 into 8, 16s are. So how much? 8 3s are 24 by 10. So you taking it is 2.4 is my final answer. And here I show out dividing 20 on both sides, because this 10 and 3 too here divided, because I want only and only y value. Now I show two verifications. Look at that. In the verification LHS 1.6, I go to RHS sides. What is your RHS? Yes, y upon 1.5. So just putting the y, 2.4 divided by 1.5. It is 24 by 10 upon 15 by 10. This 10 and 10 gone. And your only value 24 by 15. Now 24 by 15, as you students known, 6 4s are, and here 5 3s are. This cancel. 3 2s are. How much? 8 by 5. And 8 by 5 is surely 1.6, because if you multiply extra 2 and dividing by 2, it is 16 by 10, and it is surely 1.6. And this your LHS value. It means, students, y is equal to 2.4 is your final answer, and that's your IMP summer. Yes. So required solution. This solution y is equal to 2.4. Students, here correctly I just mentioned in your answer form. Now continue. Question number 9, students. 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. Here also see, what is your variable? Yes, my variable is only and only x. So this variable x I define. First of all, minus 9, students, I remove, adding 9 on both sides. So 7x minus 9 plus 9. Here 16 plus 9. And side by side, you students show up here, adding 9 on both the side. So this 9 and this 9 gone. Only you have to 7x. And how much? 16 plus 9? Yes, it is 25. Now what to do for obtaining only x value? Yes, dividing 7 on both sides. Divide 7 on both the side. So here 7x divided by 7 and 25 divided by 7. 7 7 gone. Only I have 25 by 7 is my answer. Now I go to verification. Yes students, verification compulsory. You show out what is your LHS? In your LHS 7x minus 9. In this x value students 25 by 7 I just put out here. So 7 x value is ready. It is 25 by 7. So this 7 and 7 gone. Only I have 25 minus 9. And how much it is? Yes, it is 16. And that's your RHS. So check out your LHS equal to RHS after the putting 25 by 7 is true. That's why my correct solution x is equal to 25 by 7 I have done. So required solution for these linear equations x is equal to 25 by 7 is your final answer. Now continue students. Question number 10. Our question is a 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. Look at that. Here also that is your variable students. Yes, your variable is a y. Now first of all I remove this 8. Yes students. Remove this 8 means I taking both sides 8 adding because here minus 8 given, that's why. So we adding on both sides 14y same minus 8 plus 8 13 plus 8 and here side by side taking we adding 8 on both sides. Yes students, we adding 8 on both sides. This 8 and this 8 cancel. And how much students? 13 plus 8? Yes, it is 21. 13 plus 8 is a 21. Now what to do? For obtaining y, I remove this 14. So remove this 14, but 14 given already in multiplication form students. So I dividing 14 on the both sides. So 14y by 14, here 21 by 14, and here declare the values for side by side. We divide 14 on both sides. Yes, happily done. This y and this y gone, and only here students 21 table. You know that any one table right? 3 7s are either 7 3s are 14 same 7 2s are. So this 7 and this 7 is cancelled. Final I have 3 by 2. Now I go to verification. In the verification students, look at that. My LHS 14y minus 8. Yes, compulsory verification is show. I each and every question after deriving I the verifying applying. Huh, students? Yes. So what is your y? 3 by 2. Put at the value 3 by 2 and further calculate and check out. Sure your answer is 13 carry? Yes, 2 7s are 14. You're getting only 7 into 3 minus 8. Now check students, 7 3s are 21 and 21 minus 8. Sure, it is 13. Yes students, that's your RHS. It means happily our this question is also 10 done. So required solution, I just show out this solution is true. Y is equal to how much? Yes, it is 3 by 2. And here our happily done our question number 10 for exercise 2.1. Now continue students, exercise 2.1 question number 11. In the 11th question, 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. Students, here variable is p. So don't worry, sometimes variable x given, y given, z given, abcd wise, any variable given, you find out this p value because p is our variable. So students, first of all, this plus 17, I just removing. So both side subtracting 17 on values. So we have to easily 17 here removing. Both side I just taking 17 subtracted. So mention here we subtract 17 on both side and easily you this 17 and this 17 cancel. So you're getting only 6p. And how much? 9 minus 17? Yes, it is minus 8. So now what to do? For 6p is equal to minus 8. I want this p only. That's why dividing 6 on both sides. So Here 6p divided by 6. Here also divided by 6. And side by side mention. We divide 6 on both sides. Students, is happily done. This 6 and 6 cancel. You have to only p minus 8 by 6. That also further calculate. It is 4 2s and 3 2s and 2 also gone. This 2 and this 2. Only I have minus 4 by 3, and that's your value for p. Now I go to verify. Verifications. Going to LHS wise. What is the LHS? Yes, 17 plus 6p. Students, apply your p value. P is my value minus 4 by 3. So put it here and carry forward. 3 2s we have to only 4 2s 8. And look at that, plus minus. Yes, plus minus minus. Now how much 17 minus 8? Check, it is equal to 9 or not? Yes, it is 9. So that's your RHS done here. So finally, you show out your required solution. Yes students, this solution in variable p wise, you done here 14 by 3. It is your correct answer. Yes students, you are done your question number 11. Now continue. This is the last question for this exercise students, and our part 1 is the last questions. So question number 12, x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. I told again, whenever you fractions given, then you take out students LCM, and here nothing given, so you show out it is nothing then 1, because division form is must be 1. Now check 3 1 15. How much LCM? Yes, it is LCM 15. So we multiply 15 of LCM 3 1 15 on both sides. So here you apply 15 multiplications. Similarly here 15 multiplications, and similarly here our 15 multiplications. So further value put it. That value is x upon 3. Here 1 upon 1, and here 7 by 15. Check out this 15 gone. Similarly here 3 5s are gone, and this 5 into x, students, how much? It is 5x. 15 ones are 15, and here 7 is as it is. Now I removing this plus 15, taking subtraction both sides. So 5x plus 15 and 15 subtracted, and show out here we subtract 15 on both the side. Students, compulsory show that your applications. Now 15 and 15 gone. You have to only 5x is equal to how much? Yes, 7 minus 15, which is minus 8. 7 minus 15, which is minus 8. Now, how can derive this x value? Because 5 is a multiple form given. So students, I taking dividing 5 on both sides. So here dividing by 5. Here also dividing by 5. And show out we divide 5 on both sides. So finally you done here x and 5 and 5 gone. Only I have x is equal to minus 8 by 5. And that answer I going to in the verifications. Yes students, verifications. In the verifications, our LHS is a x by 3 plus 1. You only putting x place minus 8 by 5 and try to further calculations. So it is minus 8 by 5 by 3 plus 1. Now students, check you numerator, denominator, and these are 3 denominator multiply with 5. So it is 5 3s are 15, and here 1 as it is. Now how much LCM? Yes, LCM is 15. So students are extra multiplying 15 and dividing 15. They getting 15 by 15. And further LCM. Students, how much? 15 minus 8? Yes, it is 7 by 15. So you are finally done here RHS. And check out this RHS is equal to that one. So finally I showing required my solution. Yes students, these are your solutions for the x is equal to minus 8 by 5. Your final answer, and here I complete this exercise 2.1 and in this part 1. And students, further study and further explanation for the in the part 2 I going to next exercise level word problem. Thank you very much.